So Rob's gonna install some Nerf Bar steps on his 2022 Ram 1500 Etorque. So I'm looking at the instructions. This is what came into the kit, and pretty simple, explanatory. Tells you all the parts. Check all the parts before you put it all together to make sure it's all there, and then gives you instructions along with photos to tell you what it's all supposed to look like. And these are the brackets that are, or the studs that are already on the pickup, so that's really nice. And then so the bracket just fits on those studs right there, so you just put that and then you put the bolts underneath the step on the bracket. And this is what it fits. We have a 2022 Ram 1500 crew cab. So, yep. We'll show you the finished look here in a little bit. It's one of his birthday presents. Yep. And nice thing about it is, okay, so you need washer and bolt.
I need washers and nuts.
Washers and nuts. Okay. Nice thing about it, this thing already came with the pegs for the brackets. The pickup already came with the pegs. So that's way cool.
Yep.
Okay, there's a nut there and a nut there. And a couple of nuts standing here. So you need the ratchet now?
Yep.
Okay. So it said to not tighten them all the way so that you can adjust them if you need to.
Yeah, I know. I read the directions.
Well, so did I. You wanted me to read them so I could tell you how to put it together. I knew you had them laid out, but I knew you were going to roll over too.
I need 3 washers and 3 nuts.
Okay. All right. So 3 nuts and 3 washers. So now he's putting up the second one. Second bracket. Does this look like it's easier than the Jeep was?
Yep.
Nice.
I'll do this other bracket, then I want to get the step.
Okay.
Only because there's something different about these brackets.
Okay.
Okay, stop.
What?
I need... It'd be better to hand me the washers first.
All right. Okay.
Hang on.
Okay.
Now a nut.
A nut?
Washer. Nut. Nut.
You got, okay,
I
so
want to put the step on.
all right. So he's got the brackets on.
Well, they're not tight.
No, they're not tight yet because we need to make sure the adjustment's right. So, being that we're starting on the passenger side, each one of these Nerf bars are labeled driver's side, passenger side. See, that one says driver's side. So, and they got nice steps on them. One of the things it said too is to take care of these, wax them. Put wax on them and it'll help keep it looking nicer. And then wax them occasionally. Oh, that's gonna look nice. So this is where those bolts are gonna come in play now, right? Okay, hang on.
I'm going to tighten the brackets up.
All right.
Tighter than they are.
Okay.
I just want to make sure the holes are lining up.
Right. Okay.
Out of my way.
Okay. Wait a minute. I don't have it. Okay. Yeah?
I'm going to put the steps on and put the bolts in them.
Okay.
That way we can adjust them.
All right.
And then tighten it down.
Okay. Okay, so now I got to get this step back again because he's ready for it. I just got to make sure I know where I'm turning. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. All right.
Hang on.
Okay.
After you hand me the step, I'm going to need 3 bolts.
Okay.
Don't bounce that off.
I'm
the
not
concrete.
going. Yeah, I know.
Well, I heard it.
I know.
Don't.
I know, and I didn't mean to because I'm standing there holding it. Thought you were ready for it, like right now. Okay. Okay, you ready for the step now? Okay. You got it?
Yep.
All right.
3
So
bolts.
3 bolts. Okay. Okay. And these bolts are already put together for what we need. Nice. Okay. Those go into the step, into the bracket. Hopefully I got that in line. So 2 go into each bracket, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Recently we installed these shields here. Those are pretty nice. These are in channel. So this one here, the back door, is snapped in with 3M tape.
2 more bolts.
Okay, 2 more bolts. 2 more bolts coming up. Right there, there you go. And then that one there is basically snapped in channel and held by pressure. And they're really nice. This is all by WeatherTech. The window guards are WeatherTech. We got the Nerf Bars from realtruck. So, nice, good quality equipment and parts from both companies. Along with that, we did the front hood guard, and that's by WeatherTech as well. Yeah, very nice. Sweet, that looks good.
It does look good.
Yeah, so now I've just got to tighten everything up, huh?
Yeah, I just want to adjust.
Yeah. No, that looks good.
Yeah.
Good job, honey. So, directions say to do the passenger side first, which we did. And now we're going to do the driver's side just like we did the passenger side. Alright, everybody.
I'm going to tighten these up first.
Okay.
I might need another socket, I'm not sure.
Yeah,
No, same one.
that socket works. Oh, good.
Half inch.
Half inch. Okay. So you hear that? You got to put this together. You need a 1/2 inch socket.
Deep socket.
A deep socket. Yeah. Okay, so a 1/2 inch deep socket. Good deal. But I don't see anything here that talks about torque. Oh, no, go ahead. The studs, what?
The studs that are welded into the truck,
Yeah.
freak, they're probably that long.
Wow. Definitely enough, huh?
Oh yeah.
Good. So he's got one side completely finished now. From start to finish, about 30 minutes. So that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Nice and sturdy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Much better.
Wow. Good deal. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out of the pickup.
Get in the truck.
Before we were kicking a leg up into the inside. Oh yeah. Very nice. Huh. And I like this. Nice grip. Good metal, solid steel. And then even the ends of it, it's not just like a cap or anything. A nice clean weld. Yeah. Very well made product. We got this from realtruck. Okay, so now we're going to start the driver's side. Same thing as the passenger side, so I'm not going to go through all this here, but I'll show you the finished product when we're all done. So these Nerf bars here through realtruck were $2.59 on sale, regular $2.79. Anyway, so yeah, good deal. I mean, for the product and all, definitely worth the price. Yep. So what'd you think of the whole install of doing these Nerf bars and everything? Easy?
Piece of cake.
Yeah. So about a half an hour on the passenger side, because that was the first side, and about 25 minutes on the driver's side because we already knew what we were doing.
Really gotta go to the bathroom.
And nice and sturdy.
Be right back.
Okay. Nice and sturdy and all, and they really look nice. Yep, this is from realtruck. Regular $2.79. We got them on sale for $2.59. Very nice. Very nice. realtruck.com. That's where you find them. And I like this. I really like that these are not just open or a plastic end cap. Nope. Yeah, that's super clean. Nice clean weld. Yeah, very good. And then the step portion. and it's on there really well. Nice good grip and everything. Yeah, that looks real sharp.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
I like it.
real nice. Yep. So now we're gonna clean up our mess here. And if you guys ride motorcycles, ride safe, ride fun. Miss Jenny out.